Hey everyone, just a quick video here to help some of you out. If you have to attach a file or an image or something else, if you can get it on your Google Drive, it's very easy to submit to an assignment. So I'm going to show you how to do that here really quick. So we'll just take a look at German 1. So when you log in, of course, your screen looks a little different than mine. But if you go up to the top, if you go up to the very top up here, there's a little section. There's 4 little boxes here. So right up here, if you click on that and go to the App Center, you can connect Google Drive to Schoology. So all you have to do is just click right here, and there's other apps that you can add on there as well. And we may do that at some other point. But if you just click right on there, it will, and you click Install Resource App, it will install that, and it says on here, Add to My Resources. You hit Install, and there it is. So now when you're back in our class, and you have to turn something in. Again, my screen looks different than yours, but if, for example, you're working today on the Lebensmittelwortschatz and you're trying to submit, I think there's a button right down here that says Submit. If you're working on that and trying to submit a photo, if you can get it on your Google Drive, you can connect it quite easily. So, and the way that you do that is when you click on there, and I'll just, right here, import from resources. When you go on there, you should be able to connect to import a file. So if you go on there, and if you look for this apps, it sort of looks like a box, I guess, looking from the top down. I'm not really sure what this icon is, but if you click on there, you can see then that it will then have your Google Drive resource app here, and you can search on there too if whatever you've named the file here. So for example, here's a picture of my children's work that I had to submit for their work a couple days ago. So you just click that, and then you can insert that into your assignment. So hopefully that helped with some of those issues. Like I said, if you can connect things to Google, if you have things in Google Drive and you need to turn them in on Schoology, that's a really important setup to have. So give that a shot if you don't already have that set up on your Schoology account. Auf Wiedersehen.